Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Paneroy tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa performance ni Morissette Amon and ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Okay, i-play na natin to guys. Sobrang excited ako na mapanood tong performance ni Morissette Amon and ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Alright, so here we go.
It would be an honor, Miss Reg, to sing this song with you and for everybody.
Yes,
Wow.
it would be my pleasure,
Thank you so
Marissa.
much. The one and only Regine!
There I was
Oh, shine.
alone in the shadows, couldn't find my way.
Ganda.
Then you came in and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay.
Ako pinilabutan ako guys. Galing talaga ni Miss Regine, no?
Make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine with the light that you've given. It's true. I'm shining on all because of you.
Galing.
One and only.
Yes.
So watch me glow, the light shines within me.
Ang galing natin Mori, no?
People ask me why, and I just smile and tell them you're the reason. I've cast the darkness aside, 'cause you make me shine, like the stars in
Ang galing. Galing.
Like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, keep me shining through. Shine, shine,
Wow.
with all that you give there is true. It's true. I'm shining all because of you.
Ang galing. Oh my goodness. Kinikilabutan ako guys. Tingnan nyo. Napakagandang performance.
Once again, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid!
Ladies and gentlemen, the fabulous Morissette!
Hey! Galing, galing, galing. Gandang performance, no? Sarap panuurin and grabe. Sobrang galing ni Ate Morissette at ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Nakaka-proud na meron tayong ganito kagaling na singer na talagang ipagmamalaking sariling atin. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!